Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to extend Zoom meeting time limit. For that, open the Zoom application and then get logged in into the account of yours. So when you start a Zoom meeting, the time period for the particular Zoom meeting is 40 minutes. A free Zoom account has a time limit of 40 minutes for each session. So if you want to increase this time limit, all you have to do is you can upgrade it to the Zoom Pro if you need to have group meeting that lasts longer than 40 minutes. For that, you tap on More. Then there, try Zoom One Pro. Tap that. From here, you need to select a plan. There's two plans, that is annual and monthly. You tap that option. You will need to provide your credit card and debit card details for you to be fined or the amount to be paid, that is $14 per month for the Zoom Pro. With Zoom Pro, you will get a more time period for the meeting. There are also other features like you can see the host up to 100 participants, meeting up to 30 hours and 5 GB of cloud recording. It's different with the both plans. If you do not want to go to the Zoom Pro, what you can do is you can create a new meeting each time. Toward the end of the 40 minutes, simply close the meeting and then restart it. The same meeting, same ID and same link. You can ask everyone to rejoin again. You'll have another 40 minutes and you can do this as often as needed. This is another option, or you can go Zoom Pro for the better. Hope this video was useful on how to extend Zoom meeting time limit. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.